Hello class, this is Mrs. Barza, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides. So first you'll have to go to your Google Drive, and it's free. You can just set up your own. Click on my account, and then you're going to hit New and click on Google Slides. So Google Slides is kind of like the Microsoft PowerPoint. It does the same basic things. So for the purpose of our class, we're going to name this numbers 1 through 20, and we'll just put your name here. So on this side, there's different themes you can choose from if you don't want just black and white. And there's different ones. You can look through and look at them. This one's neat. And you can title your presentation. So with Google Slides, you can highlight the word and you can change the font however you want it, whichever one you like. We keep the one that we had. And you can change how big you want it. And when you hit more, you can even change the color of the letters if you want it in bold, italicized, underlined, how you want it centered, if you want it centered to the side, to the other side, however you want it. So whenever you want to, let's say we're done with this slide, so whenever you want to insert a new slide, you can just click the plus sign and insert the same type of slide, the common one, or if you hit the little arrow, you can choose what type of slide you want. So I'm going to do the one column text. I'm going to delete. I'm just showing you, delete these two. So I want a blank page, and on this blank page I want to be able to insert a video. But let's say I don't have the video I want saved onto my computer. So I go to insert video and it takes me straight to YouTube. So I'm going to put 1 through 20 counting. So it'll pop up all the videos it has on YouTube about counting 1 through 20. So I'm going to click the one I want and hit select. And it will automatically put the video on here. I can move it around, make it bigger, however I want it. Next, I'm going to click on the little arrow and I want the one column text. And so here I'm going to put this as 1, since that's the first number. Hit more, and I want the word centered. And then I want to insert an image, but I do have that image saved onto my computer. So I go to Image, Upload from Computer, and all my files will be here. And I'll click on the image that I want, and I'll hit Open. When I hit that, it'll insert the picture onto my slide, and I can move it around and arrange it, make it bigger however I want. And then I'm going to hit the text and be like, 1 is the number that comes before 2. It is an odd number. And you're able to type. Let's say I want this to be the same, but I also want it to be bigger. I want it to be a different color. Say I want it pink, and I want it to be centered. If you want to insert an image, but you don't have the image saved onto your computer, go to Image and search from Web. And then you'll just put number 1. And all these different type of number 1s will come up. And you can just click on the one you like best. And you put insert. And it will add that number 1 to your page. So however you want to insert the image is fine. And then I'm going to go on to inserting another slide. If it inserts it here, you can move it to wherever you need it. And so I'm going to write 2. 2 is the number that comes before 3. It is also the number that comes after 1. 2 is greater than 1, but less than 3. 2 is an even number. Too big, go back and make it whatever size you need it. Change the color, make it to where it's centered. So here, let's say we didn't like this, how this 2 is written. So we can do word art. You write 2 and inserts the word 2. Here you can change the color of the outline. You can say how thick you want the outline of the word to be, or if you want it dashed, so you can see it. And then you can choose the color you want the word to be filled in with. And you can even change the font. Something else that you can insert is some shapes that are on here if you need one. You can make it however big you want. And there's different ones depending on what you need. And you can also change the outline, the fill, how thick you want the outline, if you want it to be dashed. And you can insert animations between slides or on the image. Between the slides, you want it to fade, apply to all slides. I'll show you how it'll do the fade. Or if you don't want it to go as fast, you can do medium, play. And it'll do it like that. So that's how you use Google Slides. I hope that you're able to work on your assignment, and if you have any questions, let me know.